Welcome, 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 everybody. So, join quick what you are waiting for. Everyone, welcome to the stream. Let me join the Daisy as well. Baby, I just wanna be yours. No, no, no. That's it. What's up, everyone? What's up? So what can I see today's price action? What can we expect? What can you expect in today's price action? Alrighty, if I have shared this setup in the London Q zone, and that actually worked very well uh, that time. It really played out well. Perfect delivery. So I have to check the news time at first. That's the first thing we have to do. Welcome, welcome. Who is this guy watching my stream? 8:15 and 10 a.m. Okay, we have a non-farm enroll employment change. Interesting. I think most possibly we're gonna see an delivery after the 10 a.m. New York time. So let's see what happens as we have news at 8:15. We have to wait till then. Right? So let me remove these things and we need to make it clear, right? Oh yeah, I have to measure it as well. 19 pips. Uh, 19 pips. Yeah, so you have to count it. You have to take the Asian range as well. So let me mark it here. Oh, this is so big. Yeah, and here and here. All right. Let me change this one and lock these all things. Yeah. All right. So I will just take the low and make it bigger and this. Yeah. And I would take the high as well. All right. So that's being done. We would remove this to make it much cleaner so that we can understand the price better. And I have to measure the Asian range as well. That is 23. It's exactly perfect day for today. I would still like to do for all right. Yep. So this is the midline of the flout range. We have measured that. And let me remove these things so it gets much cleaner. All right. So yeah, we have taken out the ASIN range high, then drop. This is a structure shift. So I think we need to at least tap it one more time, right? So we put an fib retracement level here at first, and this is our level. So exactly overlapping with this area, old high, sorry, old low with the 62% retracement level, right? So this is an important zone as well. So we would mark that as a structure shift. We would highlight with this one. Uh, Plot. Yep. So this is a structure shift. I want it to retrace back into the range, then deliver. But I'm not still confirming any side yet, right? So as we have swept the lows as well, the highs as well, I actually need to do the top-down analysis here. So we check from the DXY and go on daily time frame, right? All right. Mhm. This is an important low. I would mark that red and remove this quadrant for a moment, right? That is an important low we marked. And this high is also important as well, right? It go in 4 hour. I think most likely we are about to go in the buy side run and then go for sell side on dollar index. So it would be reverse on euro dollar. So still, let's see on 2 hour chart. There's an consolidation since the morning. We are inside the range, so yeah, most likely that would happen. Confusing time though. Yeah, I want at least to take out this high or this anything between that. Let's check the GBP as well so we can get a direction. Uh, okay, we actually tapped daily or FVG, so most possibly it would be go for sell side, which makes sense with our narrative. Same here, we have tapped an FVG and taken out the old high, so yeah, makes sense for bearish though, yeah. Hmm. All right. I'm actually bearish for the day, all right? I was thinking like this is a structure shift as well, you know? So if it could go in that direction as well, but what I want is to take out the low as this is an entire range. I want it to retrace back in the Asian range low, I mean high on DXY and go for this one. All right, what I'm viewing, let me just mark it a bit better for you guys. This, then this, then this. Because we have two news today, so this looks very valid for me. We have a 8:15 a.m. news and 10 a.m. news. So I think at first we would manipulate in the buy side, then go in the sell side, even though I'm more toward the buy side because we have tapped in the daily FVGES. So yeah, that's the case. This is what I think for the day. Mm, Let me share it on the DC so everyone can give an opinion upon it. Ah, all right. It's happening what we just said. It's going into the direction. So let's go on euro dollar. We are seeing it happen live.
Hello, good morning.
Whoa. Hello, good morning, my friend.
You back live again?
Yeah, yeah, I'm live.
Cool.
I want
Just the other day, I went on your channel and I was hearing my voice. I have to say, hearing your voice on the live stream is kind of funny.
maybe I don't know. We have to entertain the industry, you know. This is a boring industry.
Definitely.
Yes, definitely. So what's your view on DXY today?
Ooh, DXY, man. I just saw your text in your chat, the message you sent on the chat,
Oh,
your analysis.
yeah.
I actually hope we kind of just, um, I'd rather we don't go back up. I'd kind of like if we just sold off here, but I'm also bearish though. But what I'm saying is, I'm hoping I'd rather it just sell off from here.
Mm,
Yeah, and not manipulate. I think that's is that the previous day high? Let me just double check.
yeah.
Yeah, no, I don't want it to manipulate above previous day high.
I
But I'm also bearish though.
but I actually wanted to manipulate because that's really an consolidation. So I want,
Yeah.
yeah, because today we have really two red folder news. So today, honestly, gonna be the worst day for trading because manipulation will be there.
Oh wow, yeah, I kind of didn't check.
Yeah. So like my today's goal would be like protecting capital than making money. What we made yesterday, I need to protect it today because it doesn't seem like a really good day. So
Yeah, you're right. It, it's fair to expect the manipulation on a day like this.
mhm.
But I'd still, I guess because I'm a trader, I'd still rather it just to sell off. I mean, if it just continues selling off, it'll be easier to sort of catch, I think.
Yeah, sell-off
Trade.
makes sense though.
Yeah.
Honestly, sell-off makes sense, but as we have the news, so I'm not sure that it would run completely. So it can manipulate. That's why.
Yeah, I guess once the first red folder drops, if it's an expansion, I think it would just be the second one would just match it and
Yeah, say
continue the expansion. If the first one manipulates, then you can anticipate and hunt expansion and reversal sort of thing.
yeah, because as already we delivered in the London key zone, so I'm really viewing it to at least manipulate or at least engineer some liquidity and take out inducement, at least that.
Yes, that's fair. I'm actually in a short, just the demo one though,
So,
assuming that there is no manipulation.
okay,
But I mean, having seen the news, is very unlikely.
let's see what happens. Say, I'm actually unsure too today, so but the central bank dealers range and Asian range is actually in like perfect range in terms of
On
pips.
DXY.
No, on euro dollar in terms of pips.
Oh, okay. Tried to do the CBDR on EU, but to me the range was
I would like to put an
actually so it works.
I want to see if yeah cloud range.
When you said the CBDR is perfect, the way tell me how.
In terms of
Mine's
pip,
kind of off.
terms of pip, like it's under 20 pips and the Asian session is also under 30 pips. So
I see. I know. Okay. I thought you meant it lands perfectly on the one standard deviation or the second one.
no, no, not that one. I'm actually using Cloud today. Let's see, maybe we can reach out to three, yeah, three standard deviation of the Cloud range, possibly. And as we have actually swept the previous day high on euro dollar and tapped the FBG, so I'm really bearish on it. But because of the news, I can expect a manipulation and delivery like that Wednesday template. Yeah, Wednesday weekly reversal, that one. Let's see. What do you guys say? You guys are watching, haven't commented anything. Mhm. Mhm.
If there is a reversal happening,
Where?
I'm expecting it to be in the this like hourly busy area. Like so, I mean, as in, if we expect DXY to go back and obviously take out the previous day high, the hourly busy we're in now should be a point of resistance
Yeah, I have the like
or support.
same view, same view. If you see the chart I shared, that's where the Asian session high is resting, right inside that FVG. So
Yeah, you're right. That's true. Just check.
but and on 15-minute time frame, if you see the lows on DXY, it's really too clean. I think we should definitely target that.
The lows on DXY are too clean.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it is. Which is why if this is the high of the day, I wouldn't be too surprised. For it to go all the way up to the previous day high and then all the way back down to sweep the equal lows you're talking about,
Yeah,
it's a lot of volatility, I have to say.
but it can happen because we already created the liquidity by accumulation.
To be fair, I think it's either one. I think that might be the case. It's either we take out the previous day high and don't make it to the equal lows, or we take out the equal lows and don't make it to the previous day high.
Let's see. I don't know. Let's see what happens.
Oh, I actually labeled it wrong on my chart.
Did you share your chart?
No, I didn't share on the chat. I just noticed it now. I've been thinking I've labeled Monday's high as previous day high.
Oh,
So it's a bit further than it actually is. Tuesday's high. But they're relatively equal. I mean, I say, um, wait, today's the ADP day, isn't it?
what day?
No, ADP.
What?
Yeah, it is ADP. Man, I've been looking at Thursday.
Oh, you
Sweet.
mean that?
AD, as in the non-farm employment change.
Yeah,
ADP, that red folder news. That one's really powerful, to be fair.
yeah. That's what I said that we are going to be manipulated.
Yeah, I've been looking at the unemployment claims and that's normally pretty weak. But yeah, with ADP, you got to sit tight.
Yeah. I already hit the weekly objective though, like 2% a week. So I can just sit chill.
It's always nice when you're sort of in a good position early in the week.
Yeah. Like 1 or 2 trades a week is enough for me because of my RR.
Yeah, that makes sense.
That's bank level of returns. Like bank give it in a whole year, I make that in a week if 2 trades goes.
No, in a New York session, not even a week.
That's a good one though.
And it's not even an expansion. In a retracement, you make it.
Yep.
But Summit, have you noticed that you do sort of have a contrarian approach to trading?
Didn't get
Like
it.
you do trade against order flow. Like if the higher time frame order flow is downwards and the day
Yeah,
expands
I-
lower,
yeah, you were
you
right.
don't mind trading contrary to the order flow, the higher time frame order flow to catch a retracement.
Yeah, you were right. That's why, I lose sometimes as well because of that retracement setups, mostly.
Those ones move like lose more than the expansion ones
Yeah,
in line with the order flow, high time
cause
frame.
yeah, cause and the retracement one is more like predicting based on what it did in the London session rather than target
Yeah,
going with the directional bias. So I have seen my most losses come from the London session trades. So I literally cut that off. And the second one is that retracement setups.
I see. Yeah, I mean they're hard. They're definitely hard. Hard
Definitely.
out.
Not like no. What is harder,
Like
like
mentally, anyways. Like mentally, it's harder because it
no.
requires.
What I'm saying is like it can retrace, but you don't know you would get filled or not. So it can reverse anytime.
You don't know if you get filled as in you're a TP
Yeah,
or
yeah, on
what do you mean?
TP. As I can predict that it can retrace, but it can reverse at any time. So
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, yeah. That's the bad part.
that's why.
That's the main part. I mean, that's an important part about a trade, right?
Yeah.
You need a draw, like a solid draw, a very as much as the entry, the RR or whatever you call it, or the draw of liquidity, it needs to be strong.
Yep. Actually, so close to the Asian highs. Let's see. I think we're gonna tap on this. What is this PD array name? I actually
By the
forget.
way, the PD array on DXY, you understand where it's reversed from at 6 to 7 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m. on the hourly. That's the, that's like the opening gap, right? You've noticed that, right?
Didn't get it.
Like, where DXY reversed from?
Yeah, from the
6
18
a.m.
6 a.m.
It's
Does it?
like the hourly candle.
Oh, maybe I didn't notice it though.
It's the new day opening gap.
Maybe.
Let me show you.
Yeah,
Let
I
me show
can
you my screen.
see it right here, but I don't know if it's every day. Yeah, like does it happen every day?
What does what happen every day? A new day opening gap.
No, that reversal on the 6 a.m. candle, 1 hour you were talking about.
Does it happen every day?
Yeah,
No, no, no. Why would it happen every day?
So like what?
some days.
Some days. Like what specific days then?
The 6 a.m. reversal.
Yeah.
Oh, the time isn't important. I don't think you heard me. I said at 6 a.m. the reversal happened at the end of. The point was I wanted you to focus on or even notice the premium array, the new day opening gap.
New day
You
opening
get
gap. Oh, that.
the volume imbalance. Sorry, let's just call it volume imbalance.
Yeah, I got it. The opening gap, new day. That's a new week opening gap though.
You are correct. New week. Label it new week. Wait, why is actually it's actually not surprisingly. It's actually the one for Tuesday. So it's a new day. The new week is actually lower. Yeah. Tuesday's open.
Yeah.
And there's a rejection block. Those are two arrays that sort of made me frame this is a suitable uh, as a suitable reversal. In case you didn't see it.
All right, all right. Did we tapped on the highs?
But I'm confused, Sammy. What do you mean does it always happen at 6 a.m.?
Like, I thought you
What
said
do you
like
mean by that?
at 6 a.m. reversal happened. So I thought like
Oh yeah, just on this chart. I didn't mean it as in like as a template or anything.
I see.
I know you're big on templates like Thursday reversal week, Tuesday high. And I don't really I'm not too big on reversals, especially not on an hourly basis. 6 a.m. low of the day, that's crazy. I have no clue.
Do you know that 8:20 a.m. CME open?
8:30, I think I'm familiar about, not 8:20 though.
8:20 CME open. That is introduced by ICT. That's when actually the lows or entries actually made. Very important time though. I don't know, like I have seen it in ICT's chart, but when I try to implement in my chart, it doesn't really happen though. Like I'm not able to see that. I should have shared that on a strategy section though about that screenshot. Okay, we actually tapped on that. What is it called? Rebalance and
Oh,
redeliver.
yes. Oh, redelivered rebalance.
Yeah, RBDR.
What about it?
We just tapped on a
RDRB.
yeah. We tapped on a 5-minute RDRB.
On what? EU or DXY?
EU and maybe DXY too. I don't know.
On a 5-minute RDRB, where?
On EU, look at wait, look at that.
Oh, are you talking on the sell side of the curve?
Yeah, look at that. 435 in. Yeah,
I think the wick has to be a bit lower though. I don't know if this is an RDRB.
really.
Wick has to go below the close of that candle, I think, for it to be a
Um,
full,
I,
like actual RDRB.
I thought it's should be like covering more than the 50% of the body, the previous candle week.
Oh, 50%? Is that what you heard it to be?
Yeah, I think so. That is what it is.
It could be. I used to think it's just a full body cover. But yeah, I mean, as I said, I don't really rely on it.
All right, so I think we are about to see the setup to be formed for sell side. I have to mark it.
Oh, should I close then? Should I close the position?
Your buy,
Oh,
buy.
only demo, obviously. Yeah,
Uh,
buy.
I see. So what's your target then?
Since it's demo, I'm probably gonna put it on break even and just wait for it to go all the way to previous day high.
Oh, interesting.
I set crazy targets on demo.
At
Not
least put
previous day, Monday's
something
high, sorry.
realistic though.
Huh?
At least put something realistic.
I mean, don't you think it's realistic? ADP?
No,
If it goes expensive upwards now, no manipulation, it could reach. Um,
yeah, that could happen, but without manipulation, that's not gonna happen though.
like 100%, you're guaranteed. Like Summit knows what's gonna happen. I mean, that will never happen.
I don't know. I'm really not saying it to go and create that.
I'm not either. This isn't realistic, but it is possible though. So I'm just gonna hold it. It's either close the position or let it go.
Yeah, it
You
can.
know, which one will you do?
It can tap, go a little bit more deeper to tap on the like market structure level where the shift happened, and from there it would reverse. That's what I'm actually saying it with a new market structure shift. Okay, we are about to get the news, I guess. What time is it? Oh no, it's 7:41, and yeah, it's still time.
Oh, by the way, did you check out the yesterday's PA?
Yeah, it actually didn't
Did you end
deliver.
up
Yeah,
tapering?
I saw
Say
that.
that again.
I saw that it didn't deliver towards the low. It just reversed from there.
Yeah, it did.
That's why I allow myself to be wrong sometimes, you know. I could have,
Yeah, same. I'm happy I took all my well,
yeah.
like 80% of my position off at the high,
I think
not previous day high.
I think Banana didn't get filled though, because he was targeting 1:5, and I just closed the trade on 1:3. So where is he though?
It was crazy position, like crazy PA. Like, you know, that's to be, I mean, basically I said should be the second stage of accumulation or first stage.
Yeah.
If you were to see it now, it's incredible how it was utilized at 10 a.m.
Okay. Yeah.
I guess I could show you it after this session.
Let me share something on the chat I was talking about.
Incredible precision.
If you see that
Yeah, I see it.
orange line, that is actually 8:20 a.m. CME open. So that's an point for it to reverse. I think that works for ICT, but I haven't seen that the way work on mine. Let's back test that though. It's happened on 8:15. It reversed yesterday, and 8:20 is right here. I don't know. 8:20 is right here. This kind of. I don't know. It doesn't work on my chart though.
Oh, wow. It's 7 a.m. isn't stopping.
Hmm. Wait. I would actually like to wait till the news, even if the setup forms. Well, let's see, we actually traced well. It's actually happening as predicted. Now we should go by side.
Yeah, we're in a deep retracement. Well, not deep, but we've retraced a good amount as you
Mm-hmm.
had hoped. Those Asian lows. This is where you take your profits if
Yeah.
you was in a trade.
Yeah.
Because from here now, it could go either expansion lower, previous day low, sweep, or whatever like that. Or
After that,
continue
I don't know
higher.
where is it going. I would just wait and see what it's doing. That's it. Protecting money is part of making money, you know.
Yes, indeed.
And as people watching me, that guy is, I think it's not in a stream right now. He was even texting me on Telegram and thanking me for that he made money.
Jeez. I read online, right? It's from a trader that I kind of think is respectable. He says trading comes down to three things. There's the bias, there's the
Mhm.
narrative,
Mhm.
and then there's the entry.
Yes.
And the very first one definitely has to be the for you to take any risk.
Mhm. What do you think? Is it going to take out the high? Are you wishing it?
For me,
Yeah.
I wish. Yeah, I'd rather it just. Actually, I think for me, because if I want to take a trade, it's better if it goes into a discount. Yeah, it's better if it goes deeper, and then we all catch the long from after taking out you know uh liquidity.
Uh-huh.
If it's just to expand after this, coming to think of it, catching longs will be, yeah, I guess you could, yeah, it would be a breaker. So actually, whichever way it does, I think it's okay. But I think I'd rather um, if it goes and expands from here, I think that's actually better.
I don't know.
Because it's already manipulated a small bit, a little bit.
Yeah, this retracement is actually manipulation.
No, I mean, as in, this could be part of the expansion, but it's manipulated already before. That's what I meant.
Uh,
Does that make sense? Or that just sounds confusing? Did you get it?
actually, don't know. Like, I just had the same thing. Like, if I go on do the top-down analysis, then we're actually bullish on DXY. So as we have accumulated since yesterday, so I really wanted to take out the buy side, then go fill that what is it called, like imbalance, or like this uh what is it called? I forgot it. Volume imbalance actually on daily time frame candle. So I want that to be fill and continue then for buy side.
You're looking at the XY, right? Or
DXY.
yeah, okay. Yeah, whichever way though. I mean, I'm not really too fast. I don't think I'm going to be taking an entry until a little bit after news anyway. So
Yeah. I didn't want to
Not
trade
a,
the
not a
dust.
problem.
If it seems safe to trade after the news, I would definitely go for it. And if not, then I would just definitely wait for it.
Yeah, what it does now doesn't really concern me.
Yeah. So we tapped on the highs. Now we have to see if we do a structure shift.
Yeah. But while we wait for this, let me show you the yesterday's PA.
All right, so me.
If you was to look at yesterday,
Wait. Yeah.
obviously, you remember
Uh,
this is where you framed the long on stream.
yeah.
And then I was anticipating this to be second stage
Delivery.
or first stage to buy side, previous day high.
Uh-huh.
However, it didn't happen. What actually happened was it was a big reversal.
Mm-hmm.
What's impressive though, what stood out to me was this. You see how it utilizes respecting the CE, the suspension block,
Yeah.
inverses it so well.
Suspension
And
blocks
then,
actually works as gaps as well. Like you can use it as an IVG type of thing.
Yeah, suspension block is a type of FVG to me.
Yeah,
It's the same thing, really. It's not really even a new PDRA.
yeah.
But yeah, it was really cool seeing this. And then I actually took that entry on demo
You sold there?
when it tapped in over here.
On okay, I get it.
And then I bought, I took profits here.
Wow, that's a really nice catch though.
Yeah, it is. I was surprised.
I went to
But
sleep.
because the red news dropped at 10,
Mhm.
I knew there's going to be volatility some way. You know what I mean? Like it's either taking out this or it's going to come back
But news wasn't
for these
fixed,
lows.
like the time. How did you know that?
Say again?
The news time wasn't any time fixed.
It was tentative, wasn't it?
Yeah. So,
Yeah, it was. But it was at 10 a.m. It was before at 10 a.m.
uh, maybe.
I think before it changed.
No, I think it was at 10 a.m.
Yeah, it was. So when this opened, that was the manipulation. Reject from the CE, market structure shift, entry. And yeah, this is how it looked on DXY. 10 a.m. manipulation. And then I entered here.
What's the structure shift or like CISD for you then for this setup?
Oh, no, I didn't really wait for it, but this is a CISD. As long as it's 5. Is this the high of this candle is 007? The open is 006. So by 1 pipette, this qualifies in a way as a CISD.
Okay,
But I don't really look at that though. What I am looking for though is DXY closing outside of the imbalance. Once this candle closes out outside of here, I immediately shorted at 1020. I mean, I took a long at 1020 here.
All right.
Yeah, that's how I do it. Yeah, now we're here. I took one long here,
All right.
and then one more here.
I think we're about to see a setup to freeform if it breaks this low 5 minute.
Which low?
7:40 a.m. New York time candle.
Oh, if we close underneath it like a CISD?
Yeah, but it did not close though.
That was a big reaction.
Uh,
Let's see if the next one.
I think it's gonna take out the high one more time. Ah.
USD franc is looking pretty, yeah, pretty good, I'd say.
USD?
But Swissy, for shorts, I
Okay.
mean, I'd say it's pretty neat. But yeah, I mean, it's gonna have to wait for 8 a.m. open.
Let's see. I don't know. It's not clean, like clean, but not directional. I think we would close this 1 hour candle in bullish. Then from the next hour candle we would reverse. What do you think?
On DXY?
Yeah.
I mean, on both of them? Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I mean, I'm really not entirely sure, to be fair. But I think I'd rather we just drop on Dixie, as I said before. Just completely sell off and run those equal lows. And then the rest, so it'll be obviously it'll become a situation where Monday was the high of the week.
Mm-hmm.
Because yeah, Monday high of the week, Tuesday lower high, Wednesday again lower high, and Thursday, Friday expansion. But what can also happen, and it's actually pretty expected, is Wednesday is the high of the week. So as you said, ADP manipulates,
Mm-hmm.
takes out previous day high, but also Monday's high as well because they're really close. Yeah, it takes every high out, and then
I'm just sure about one
Friday
thing.
has a huge leg of expansion, and Thursday as well.
I'm just sure about one thing. I'm bearish on euro dollar.
You are bearish
Yeah.
on euro dollar. As in retracement bearish, manipulation bearish, or as in higher time frame order flow bearish?
I really don't care. I just want my TP to get filled. Like 15 or 30 pips. That's it. for New York kill zone. Everyone, don't forget to like the stream as well.
How's the hourly close doing?
Hourly close. Did it close yet? It's gonna be bullish.
Just above the C, I guess.
Yeah.
Still reverse easily from it. It's just above the central encroachment. On DXY, it actually lands, I think, perfectly on the new week opening day. Almost perfect.
Let's see.
Yeah, it's looking.
I want to. No, I don't think so.
It does a market structure shift. Might be the 2022 model unveiling.
I actually want to sweep the previous hour candle high on euro dollar and then do a like shift in structure.
Okay. That would be pretty good. Seeing how it closed though, the 1 hour, super completely rebalanced the
Yeah.
inefficiency. So if it doesn't do what you just said, I kind of understand. It's an E premium.
Yeah.
But yeah, a bit of displacement here would be pretty nice. Show us the hand. Show us your hand, doggo.
I think it's gonna take out the 15-minute previous candle low and then go higher, then go lower. Yeah, it just did. It just did take out the previous candle low.
I'm not on my broker. That's funny. What broker are you on? Forex.com?
No, it did not. I'm actually Forex.com.
Yeah, same.
Did not.
Let's see a bit of displacement.
So what the hell is happening? Like, okay, news time. That's why it's like going up and down. News time, boys. News time. Just sit out and watch people lose money.
Need displacement. Ideally before news.
I think news gonna be more bullish on euro dollar. It's looking like that.
What makes you think that?
Market profile. I think we're gonna go more.
Tell me. What market profile?
It's just an intuition, like after years of
Okay.
experience you have it. So yeah, I think we're gonna go much deeper into the premium on Eurodollar, and then we can see something. Uh, Let me
And then
and
we can see something as in for more longs, or would you,
short.
or then take shorts?
Yeah, sudden price runs would make people think that it would go in that direction, and they would just enter in that, and they would get manipulated, and we would enter in the other side, targeting their SL.
Okay, okay, okay. Fair enough. But yeah, looking at the daily chart, yesterday was an inside candle day. Today is inside yesterday's candle. So we're in an inside candle right now.
Yeah, that's what we are about to explore today.
Yeah. This is why we're gonna explode indeed.
What the hell?
What if the explosion is so powerful there's no manipulation? Just expansion.
That's not never happened. Like there is no straight.
Yes, it does. It's happened recently.
Where?
PA.
Where?
I remember once it barely tapped the Asian highs, I think, or something like that. It just reversed below it.
Yeah, I
It
remember
was
that.
just engineering liquidity or whatever. I think that's what we said.
Yeah, I
It's
remember
like,
that. Yeah.
what's the point in that?
I see. Even if that doesn't completely sweep that, still I would get feel though.
But yeah, I say that just to say I'm not surprised.
Mm.
It just expands, no manipulation. Especially the way it's been behaving recently.
Let's see. How many minutes left? 8 minutes. 8 more minutes. This 750 to 810 macro is consolidation though. What do you guys think? Euro-dollar buy or sell? Let me know. Drop comments, man. What are you guys watching? Do you trade gold? Hello.
Me?
Yeah.
Sometimes, yeah. but not. I don't think I'll be trading it soon. I'm just gonna stick to EXY
Yeah.
majors.
Why not, bro? Gold is very beautiful. It's just like
Yeah, it's beautiful in physical form, you know. Hey, bro.
physical form, but it have a simple price action, bro. If you watch it closely, when you like enter in the correct position and hold it for longer time.
Even in the simple price action, it's gonna go up, then come back to your entry, then run one more time, then come back one more time, then deliver.
Gold is lovely. Yeah, it can sometimes give you very too much love that you can't. Uh,
I usually get used to get like stopped out with those kind of price action.
yeah, bro.
What's up? What's up, everybody? What's up? What do you think News gonna do? Buy or sell?
Your news today. What news we have? Some let's
Full port on gold. Buy.
Hmm.
All right. I think BTC price action is much cleaner than gold though. Look at the clean highs. Damn. Damn, bro.
Bro, how can you say BTC is better than gold, bro? How?
Now, in terms of price action, gold is the final boss, obviously.
Gold is lovely. It's not a final word. It's a pookie, bro.
Pookie, when you were beginner, used to misunderstand that.
No, then you need to become a gold to trade a gold, bro.
Uh, Gold is more gold digger than your ex, bro.
Ah, bro, gold is lovely, very lovely. Because I hold that many. Like I used to do a swing. I still do a swing trade in gold when I get a good entry at gold. Like
Yeah,
ah,
long-term trades are actually okay, but if you try day trade or scalping, you were cooked, obviously.
it's also good, bro. You only need to. It's also good for day trading and scalping. You only need to look for a buying opportunities. Alright, it's lovely.
It sounds
Very
like
lovely.
it literally sounded like just buy on Nasdaq or S&P 500. It just gives you 15% a year. It would obviously go up.
Obviously, bro. Even the US 30, if you talk about equity indices, US 30, there is a October seasonal tendency. Works very well most of the time in US 30.
Okay, I think news gonna be bullish. What's your take on euro dollar? I mean, uh, 2 minutes left.
Because
Let's.
you guys were talking good about commodities, I ventured a demo trade. Commodities, I'm gonna be rich.
Uh-huh.
Very great. Commodities, only commodities can make you rich.
Just full
Also,
port every
equity
time.
as well.
Just full port every
Yeah, I'm
time.
gonna buy.
I'm buy. I'm actually full porting on demo account. Full port, buy.
Only thing good in the commodities is the seasonal tendency works very well.
Oh, do not trade right now. It's a news time, man. You guys are crazy. Do not trade at all. It's just a demo, right? I'm just.
This is the time. This is the time we need to take a trade, bro. Just do it.
No.
What kind of mentor you are, Sumit, bro? You need to.
I'm just doing it for fun. Like I'm not buying or anything right now. Okay, if anything would be after the news. So yeah. Uh, 40 seconds.
I have a 15-hour trade open on silver.
Oh, bro. 15.
Yeah, but I think it's already gonna hit stop loss.
I have no stop loss, so I can be get hit.
Um,
Okay, I think
what
the
is,
eight.
I don't even know what is stop loss, bro.
There is what is the meaning of stop loss?
What is the stop loss? What are you guys talking about?
Full port.
So happy.
Oh, banana is here. How are you?
No,
Okay, it's bullish.
no, hold on, no.
It's bullish.
No time.
As said, as
I'm
said.
already stopped out. Oh my god.
As say I made $3 on demo. It closed the profit, bro. Yeah, I just made three fucking dollars.
You guys right now.
All right. Get serious, get serious. We are about to get a market structure sheet. All right, let me just mark it.
Banana has some good intermarket knowledge.
Yeah,
Banana will sell, like
be-
Banana will look
because
every chart and
no, no, no,
guess what the news will come.
because he is a genius. If you know, you know. He's a genius. It was
He's
promised
used.
to him. 3,000
The
years.
original Jew.
Yeah.
I only know he's a genius, bro. I only know he's a genius. I don't know about Jews anything, but I know he's a genius.
uh, Banana.
Yeah.
Did you get hit your 1:5 trade yesterday?
No, no.
Yeah.
It's not gas out. I saw something yesterday.
Oh, what did he saw?
Let me check my.
Okay, this can be market structure shift as well, right? We need to see the close.
Wait a second. 8:15. The news already hit, right?
Yeah.
Jesus. So funny. I'm not still waiting.
What you were saying? This is gonna.
It's going to sell.
Yeah, I'm up.
Yeah, it doesn't mean it will go up, bro.
It can,
Because
at this point,
Yeah,
it can
no
go
entry.
up and down too, but I'm still bearish.
yeah, bro, I'm also bearish.
We are bearish. We are bearish. Let me just take it off.
Might go up, but we don't know.
Yeah.
Bro.
We don't care if we go up or down. I'm just bearish. All right. This is liquidity.
Still waiting for the news, I guess.
This is liquidity sweep. Now we are closing below it.
This is the accumulation. This is upper manipulation. This is the accumulation.
Yeah.
That's the manipulation. Now we can see the downside distribution.
I already
Yep. As said, this is gonna be a structure shift on 1 minute time frame, and we gotta wait for the retrace, or maybe we can't even get a retracement though.
See, bro, I told you the news is negative for dollar. It doesn't mean it will go up euro. Because I see many times there is a GDP quarter to quarter news is positive and still euro go.
Bro, what are you talking about? I just predicted that news bullish and it came out bullish. That's it. The news candle we are talking about right there. All right, all right. Did we sell 5 pips stop and 15 pip target, right? All right. Now just wait.
Tegna already took a
If we
trade to IFEG and BXY with BXY. I think I guess.
Sagna, really? But where
No, no, no. I have no entry. Zero entry.
BXY. Oh, BXY hasn't tapped right, bro.
right? Sell side liquidity marked. Uh, Let's
Next time I'll even look for a trade is at 9.
9.
9:30,
Yeah,
9.
9 a.m.
Why don't you trade, Sagar, why don't you trade equity indices? Because it's very good at 9.
Okay, GBP looks bullish, Euro looks bearish. I need to check the strength as well.
And how do you check
No,
the trend?
I find the indices quite hard to
Damn,
trade.
damn, bro. What? Euro GBP is much cleaner structure shift.
But damn, this looks good though.
Look,
It's pretty bearish, I have to say. Wow.
yeah, Euro GBP is really clean
The
structure shift
resistance is,
outside.
you might play power of 3 of yearly candle. Open, low,
Do not enter it. Do not enter it, anybody. It's gonna go up till this order block.
the only problem with equity indices is you need to check the only future charts. They only shows the real chart. If you like use capital com and this kind of chart, it will manipulate a lot, bro. I don't know.
Yeah, that's true.
Also with the gold as well, if you check a gold chart with O and FXM, there is so much difference between gold charts, forex.com and can't
Yeah,
use
obviously.
that. Sometimes if you're taking a like precision and like if you want precision entry, if you have any model like give very precision entry, then it's hard to.
Yeah, with the 4 hour charts, timing is different. It goes 1 hour, 5 hour, 9 hour. On the rest of them is 246. It's like futures. So Oanda is different in that sense.
Yeah, if you say like
It's
that is
actually
the
different.
Oanda is different because this keeps the opening candle, I guess, because that's why FXCM and forex.com is more accurate than Oanda. Because they count yesterday candle is today candle, something like this, keep something, or maybe 1 hour candle. I checked it long time ago. I didn't remember how it is. Yeah, FXCM and forex.com is more accurate than Oanda. The only thing Oanda gives accurate. You are not opening. You don't need to check opening PDRS, but other PDRS it will give accuracy because I use Oanda chart. If there is a point of interest like FVG in Oanda, but like not in FXCM or Forex.com, then I will choose Oanda's FVG to take trade.
Let's see.
Uh, uh, Sagnar, are you waiting till 9 a.m.?
Yeah, there's no trade for me. No.
Mm-hmm.
Right
Interesting.
now. This is oh, did you end up finding something like a trade?
No, not that clean, and I won't force a trade today. I'll just demo trading. Already made money yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah, I need to protect the money I made yesterday.
Yeah, same. I don't even have a trade, so it's not even about protecting. My setup isn't even here. I don't even have a bias, so
Oh,
I can't trade.
you didn't take a trade yesterday?
No, I'm talking about today. I took a trade yesterday. I won.
Yeah. My target is actually
I
big.
also took a trade and reversed it. You remember what I showed you earlier on
Yeah,
the
yeah,
X5?
yeah. I see.
That also went well. Yeah, that so today was yesterday was pretty good.
I was asleep by that time. So yeah. I really needed to be traced at really discount, sorry, premium. Real TT.
Oh,
I think we're gonna miss this one. Yeah, but we can catch after the 10 a.m. We can catch an short after taking this high right there. As predicted this, tapping on that and then continues to take out these highs and then drop.
Banana, Segnar and Sumit, I want to ask your opinion. Like, what's your long-term view in euro? And my view is bearish, but I want like euro to retrace. I want like daily SMT to confirm a longer term selling.
Yeah, I wanted to be sell on euro dollar, but currently as it's not showing in the price action, so I'm just continuing with the price action.
I'd like lower dollar. So long term, ideally, we are
That's too long though. Like
longing
on
here.
3 months time frame, I'm also bullish.
That is long right now.
Banana, what did you say? Did you say dollar strong right now?
Yeah,
Oh yeah. It is. But that's the thing. I'm hoping this week to end
On 3 months, I'm bullish again
bearish.
to take out these highs.
I want Friday to take us lower, back into a down close weekend.
Like
and
for
if it takes us lower, then that means on the Friday or next week, we'll start looking for bullish move on. Wait, banana.
Yeah, ideally.
I'm not sure. I know how Segner top-down analysis. I know Sumit as well. Can you show us how, like, what did you check and how did you find your longer-term view? Can you share screen and show us? It's just the same as
this is an RDBR.
I use the daily. I normally just use the daily for that. You don't go more than daily time frame, about than daily time frame. Yeah. You see, it was consolidated before. Daily and the thing you said about the CRB index, you also look for in a daily time frame. Like if index is on daily work together, then there is after that consolidation on a daily time frame. Yeah. That's why it's working. That's why CT normally uses. Okay. We shouldn't use in a lower time frame, right? You can use it if you know how to trade with lower time frames. Okay. Let me see. I don't think so, bro. We can use in a lower time frame.
Like I'm asking that for this quarter, like January to March, are you bearish or bullish?
Yeah. Index.
Dollar index what?
I'm coming. What is saying, bro? Yeah.
Are you coming?
I'm checking it. I want to check something.
All right, check it. I think it would come back one more time.
Yeah, it's need to because you need to create a SMT for one daily time frame. If you if market want to go lower, we should have a daily time frame SMT to confirm our bias for
I'm
quarter.
talking about 1 minute time frame of euro dollar chart. I actually seeing it as a IDM.
My SL on 1 minute is gonna be hit now. My entry from earlier.
Why didn't you close?
Nah, bro, I wanted daily highs. You remember previous day high?
You were crazy, man. I made $3 in demo account in the news candle.
Wait.
Oh my god,
Wait,
bro.
like, you took a trade in the bullish in the euro?
Yeah, let me show you. Yeah, but this was before news.
It was a retracement setup
But why are you like, why you want to target a today's high, daily high?
because it's demo.
It's oh, here. It's
We have
demo.
SMT with XY as well and GBP as well. So it looks bearish for me.
I think I don't take
Goodbye. So goodbye demo.
Sagnar.
Yep.
You see this 1 minute setup on euro dollar.
Where? Yeah, I'm on 1 minute. Yeah. Where?
The 1 minute setup that didn't retrace to an premium. This kind of trades I miss it. And don't worry, it would
Oh right, yeah.
reverse.
This one. This one. The one you. This one over here.
Yeah.
That's you. Yeah. This is your soul.
I was waiting to tap on the order block, but it didn't retrace that much.
Like the order block over here.
Yeah, that news candle is the order block. What do you guys say? Chat, let me know.
The news candle.
News isn't done yet. The news is at
Banana came to my screen. How can you use this chart as a daily time frame? Like I can't even see a candles on a daily time frame. Which website you use for CRV index? Like I only can see monthly time frame on this like in trading view chart of CRV index. Link. Let me send you the link.
berries as fuck. How low do you think euro will go? How low do I think? I think it's gonna go. This is an easy takeaway for 1 minute chart. This is the easy fruit you can target. And another one would be
Monday's low.
I really don't know. I'm not sure about it. Maybe this low or this standard deviation of flout range. If you know what flout range is, the third standard deviation of flout range. So yeah, possibly. If you ask on DXY, that's actually more clear. On DXY, I'm actually looking at you. Yeah, I'm actually looking for to take out these old highs. This is actually Tuesday highs. It would get to the Monday's low. I really don't think so, cause I'm actually reverse from there. So yeah, let's see. I don't know. I just know about the particular session, which is the kill zone. Let's see, which already going bearish. We just didn't get an entry, but that's okay, cause we already made money yesterday. I think this is an inducement run on this high. Maybe we can get entry after that. That could happen though.
Where are you sending, bro? Link.
Cool. Where did you catch it? This one? You catch it on the manipulation or the right on the news candle or like what? Yeah, interesting. Okay, what are you guys doing? What is Sagnar is showing? We're seeing it bullish. Sagnar, you are mute. You are mute. You are mute. Open your mic.
Damn, bro. So calm down, bro. Do you miss my voice?
Yeah. Are you like bullish?
I was sharing my screen, but I was just
Like
just pressing buy. I'm coping
I'm
because
gonna sell
myself still
from the
closing.
VPO, wait for an SMT from TXY and GU. That would be a good though. I really don't trust a 1 minute setup, and I as we have two red folder news, so this could be unmanipulation that easily. So I'm just trying to protect the money I made yesterday. That's it. If it seems to be obvious, then I would entry. Otherwise, I would just patiently wait and see what happens.
Yeah, bro. I'm not even thinking about entering on a live trade. That's not even a thought in my mind.
I'm not thinking as well. If I see anything obvious, then
So I can never. It's impossible for me to see anything obvious.
okay. We actually reversing from RDBR.
Oh,
So you use it, banana. You use it this year index as a line chart, right? Not a candle. It doesn't show the candle.
see now it's dropping.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
How are you guys seeing?
Taco, you were right. Commodities are very good, man.
It's always good, bro. I will
How long have you
show you one.
been into trading and are you using
Do you want to
platforms? Yeah, I'm using
let me teach you one thing. It works very well in
just to
commodities.
mute them. Yeah, I'm actually been trading for 3 years and I trade platforms. So yeah, what is this CRB?
I came to my screen now. Why? If there is like if commodities are bullish, for like commodities always are bullish. So on daily time frame, how I play, like I used to do swing. I was still do swing trading. I only do swing trading. So the only thing gold, how gold works, like gold always work like this. Like let me show you. Up, then this, or maybe a retracement or something, but then up, then something did a retracement, then up. As like it's always go like this, upper, this, then upper.
Okay.
Play this. How I'm like in all time high, how I hold and how where I book and where I found new entries. Let me show you. So we are.
What do we think you're on now, though? Using what you just said, are we expanding now, or are we with the consolidating thing you showed? What do you think?
I'm actually
Right
expanding.
now, we might be consolidate or maybe a bearish because of like there is a connection with the Australian dollar gold, and if Australian dollar is bearish, most of the time gold follow Australian dollar and maintain Australian dollar. So like, let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. You will get it when I show you. Like I want major swing highs and major swing lows. So this is the like if this is major swing high, this is major swing low. Let me put my standard deviation here. Okay. Now I want only let me add one more minus 3.5.
Oh, yeah, I sometimes use that as well.
So what I do, then I like mark this manipulation leg major high to low, not this low, only this because this is the manipulation leg. So when I do this, I found entry like I know you will found like there is a weekly FEG and you will find entry here easily. But when you are take
Right.
entry, even in the middle there is hard to because many time market can like if you took entry here, it will come leave, matlab, make you out. But if you like from somewhere here or somewhere here, good entry, then you can hold like minus 2.5. You can book something, and there is this area 3 to 4. There is chances the bigger retracement like this. Okay, now it will consolidate or maybe retrace little bit more. Now again here I mark this leg to this side because this is my major leg after this move. Now again you can see
Yeah.
you find entry this FPG, and if you take a good entry, then you can hold for like 3.5 and 4 again consolidate here or maybe retrace. So you can book here and leave here other. Now look at this like here consolidation again. Now again I will
Yeah.
mark. Now again I will mark this high to this low. This thing makes more money, bro. I like look at this. Now after we go here where 3.5 there is deeper retracement maybe consolidation, right? Now I mark this leg to this. Actually I buy gold. I used to have account from this prop from like called it is like it prop from them called your funding or something. I took his account, but his prop from got like I almost I take took a trade and I was holding this trade actually till here because these are my target.
Mhm.
Yeah. 3, 4 again. Yeah.
Yeah. So again you can see three this zone we can book here and there is a big selling, right? Now you can check it anywhere like you can preview data if you want to check you can check it. It's always work same as
Where did you learn that? Okay,
where
we
did I
did
learn?
an inducement though here, right here. So
Where did I learn that?
yeah.
Do you think you can apply this on the 5 minute? Because I trade on the 5 minute entry.
Yeah, you can apply this in lower time frame as if you understand. I am not good at lower time frame, but if you understand in a lower time frame, it works well as well, bro. But if you have a correct bias in lower time frame, because very noisy in lower time frame.
Yeah, I'm actually in silver now. Similar. I actually drew the extension as well.
Ah,
Uh, Crazy though. I think I'm looking for 10R. I really
You can look for many R as well. If you have a good entry in small surplus, you can hold it if it fully is for like longer term.
we
okay.
can we can
So
still
Taco, you are commodities market maker.
No, no.
Banana is Forex market maker.
I only do forex. I only trade commodities sometimes. Very forex market most of the time.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
right there.
If you if you look at here, why silver fall? Do you know? Go to just the things I show. Just go to weekly time frame.
This is CR base entry, okay, guys?
Okay.
If you take a
Check
trade, it's on your own risk, right?
Yeah.
Do not blame me.
why silver dropped 30%. You know, just go to weekly time frame and mark the 2011 high and 2020's low. That fib on weekly time frame, and just you will understand why.
Oh, that's a long time ago. I don't
Yeah,
think I ever spend that much time on the high side.
no, you don't, but just check it and why this 30% drop on
Right.
happened recent days. You will understand. That's good on higher time frame as well, but yeah, not that good.
Yeah, I see it. It's around the 2 standard deviation.
Yeah. Oh, no, it's not around the two. If you mark major structure, then you will understand major structure one like major.
You said 2010 low and what high again?
No, 2011 highs. April 2011 high to low.
Yeah.
To 2020 low. Yeah, 2.5, almost three standard deviation years. Red zone
What
is
indicator is that? Which one?
there.
Which one?
don't have any indicator.
Oh no, they are asking. I really don't use any indicator though.
Standard deviation. 2020 low, and yeah, I see what you mean.
Yeah, you got it. I guess you are right. 2.5.
I use this one for kill zones and all that. RR indicator. Oh, that's not an indicator though. That's just what is Fibonacci? You can do it by like this on the PNL too, but I just put it for visuals. If you wanna see the settings, then you can see it. It's like that. You can take a screenshot if you guys want. So, right? Yeah. Okay. I really don't want to be consolidated because we swept the high in with inducement with the CRT base entry. Let's see. Okay, guys, just wait a bit. I just want to go washroom. All right. I'm coming back in a minute.
Ah, ah, banana. Yeah, I think you watched ICT very well. I also watched ICT 2016 something mentor state, but I want to know, do you use open interest?
I use
Open interest is the ICT, open interest.
don't use I don't use open face. I'm trying to learn how to use it. And
Hmm?
I'm using it. I'm also trying to use the COT.
I use COT as well. It's like, for me, it's bearish in euro because commercial are on 4 year bearish, like short on index when it long. That's why I'm a bearish. But I just want to confirm SMT on a daily time frame to confirm the bias longer, quarterly.
I've been searching for that and how to use it, but I'm now trying to learn how to commitment of traders. Because I see a lot of people shorting this on the
Let me show you how I use commitment of trade. That's report. I use this indicator instead of bar chart, okay? From 2 days.
What's going on? What's going on? London mostly creates the high of the day. London to Asia creates the high of high. I think continuation of that trend is more likely. Yeah, I'm also bearish, but with a different reason because we have taken out the previous day high and also tap on the FVG bearish. That is why I'm actually bearish. As simple as that. Just a
Banana.
board takedown.
We are here net short. Now again we are here net short.
Yo, I wanted to ask something to Banana. Hello, hello, Banana.
EMB.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I know I just heard about that CRB and find like knowing when the next consolidation is coming, but how do you use it? Can you teach me?
Yeah, there are Can you like show us on a chart example like how you see? Because we can't like if I use CRV, like let me show you on my screen. This is DXY and let me use this CRV index and let me put this as a you use it like this. Let me put DXY here in the bottom. So here is both are like this is bearish. How do they cut?
Gotta learn something, guys.
Right now, let me share my screen.
Yeah, share yours. Master, teach us, master. Yeah. All right, all right, all right. All right, yeah.
I see the screen now.
Yeah.
So now you see the whole thing. This is the low we made.
Mm-hmm.
So, but this was the low I was looking at last week. The price has now swept. It can no right now I'm expecting price to get above this side, if only breaks this side.
Yeah.
Let me add a CRB for you to see. CRB is also doing the same.
CRB.
I'm coming.
Oh no, you can't find CRV index like that. You need to let me send you the name
Link.
of like write TRJ, go plus point and write TRJ. Yeah, TRJ,
Huh,
add new pen.
huh, huh.
We are
TR, no, TR, TT.
Summit. Are you looking at DXYU?
I'm looking at my master screen. My master is showing me something.
Bro, TRJ, T.
T.
Thomas,
Thomas Shelby T.
Thomas T, yeah, TRJ, E, no F, CRV, double F, two times F, yeah, F, again F, CRV. No, only two times F and then you write CRB, RB.
Still not showing.
It shows in me.
Share the link, man.
How do I sell?
Just go on the website. We can understand. We are not beginners. So go on the CRB website. Okay, it fucked. It fucked. It
Summit, are
fucked.
you seeing this? Look at check your chart.
Wait.
Setup.
Yeah, I saw that.
Put E after J, bro.
This is
TRJ,
spelled okay.
put E after J. Yeah, after J. After J, not before, after. You put it before. Remove. Yeah, there is. Now you can see, yeah. Yeah, new pen. Now, okay.
Right.
So now you can see this height is also big thing.
Yeah.
Now reverse it. So now I'm expecting price to also do the same for this.
Mm-hmm.
You can see it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm waiting for next week. Next week we make the move.
Now seller coming. Hold on. I'm not trading at all.
If next week, I'll be looking for some shots inside.
I'm not trading at all. That was
Looks
different.
like DXY.
What are they doing, bro? 30 minute. 1 hour. Yeah, it still looks bullish.
Can you see?
Actually, maybe we would have a late delivery. Uh, we have a lot of time though for the news. Yeah, they're showing something. I'm gonna learn it. Hello, hello. Is it okay? What's wrong?
What? Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, where did that guy go?
I don't know.
Okay, show me what you were teaching me. Yeah, that took the equal highs just like DXY but inverse. Then what next?
And this one is a CRB index. This one is more like wheats and this agricultural stuff. It's more like Nasdaq or S&P, different commodities inside one basket.
Okay.
So when you see it start to rise,
Mm-hmm.
this one starts to drop, the DXY starts to drop. So
Okay.
you can see now, when this one rises, this one also drops.
Mm-hmm.
So they move inversely. But when they move together, maybe let me see if I can find one. They normally start to consolidate when it moves together, like they start going in an uptrend.
I think that sell is valid. They both sold at the same direction. This one.
Both sold in the same direction.
Yeah.
This one is buying, yeah, and this one is buying. The way you move to the weekly, you can see sweat.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I'm expecting price to do the same for
Now, what I'm
CRB.
saying that how do you know it's gonna consolidate in the next quarter or something like that?
No, that one I don't know, but the only thing ICT said was like when they move in the same direction. So if CRB is moving in, maybe it starts going higher, and the USDG
I get it. I get it.
starts to move higher.
I
They
think.
all consolidate down.
Wait. If you look at my chart, I think I have get it. Uh, what was the CRB name though?
CJRE
C J
C C
O
CJR
J R
Thomas
T J R
E
E
FF
F F
CRB.
C R B.
Yeah,
There is no T J R E double F
yeah.
C R B.
CJR yeah, double F CRB
C R D or B.
B.
But it's not showing though. Why is
It's
it?
not showing.
Sell in 8 minutes.
Let me see.
Might be some issue.
No, you left an E.
I'm I'm
CA
I'm I'm telling you, just go on the chart. I'm telling you. Like from April 2 of 2025, there is a sale on CRB. And if you go on the April 2,
Say 24,
yeah,
25.
from the April 2, 2025, it sell in the dollar index too. So after that, the consolidation actually came. Is that what ICT talked about?
Yeah, so it's more like an accumulation of price
Uh-huh.
before it starts to move higher or lower.
Interesting.
Now we just have to wait for a break.
Mm-hmm.
If
Interesting.
this one breaks, we now have to look for a buy.
Okay, just a minute. I'm having a call. Yeah, so that is what it is. And nothing else there, like anything else that
Trying to learn how to use this
I'm actually still beginner with the T notes or ears analysis.
C notes.
Yeah,
For me, I don't use it. I just come here to use the interest rates instead.
interest rate.
I use the contracts.
It just is numbers. You analyze with the numbers. How do you do
So you are the only person that uses T notes.
that? It's the same thing though. Like on the
Everyone uses 10-year bonds or 30-year bonds.
I think the T notes are actually more cleaner than those charts. That's why. It's the same thing, like inverse.
It's the same thing. It's just that, like,
Yeah, it's just inverse.
there's, that was how I was able to trade last month.
Look
So
at PU.
according to T node, I think DXY is much bullish, but still we cannot see any structure shift on the daily time frame like that. So this is where the confusion
Yeah.
is. Let's see, we would see something maybe later of February to March.
Oh, institutional order flow entry drill.
Sell
It looks like
EE.
those equal highs are going to be targeted.
Why? Why sell EU? It is not even my setup though.
Nah, I didn't say that.
4 hour order block. Let's see what. Yeah, we do have a 4 hour order block, but I do not trade that way. I see my setup pretty. Yeah, I'm talking in the chat. So I see particular session with my setup I entry on that. If I don't see my setup, no matter what, it's gonna go in my direction. I don't take it. Wait for price to dip the 4 hour order block.
Oh,
We would see actually. I actually hit the objective like target of making money yesterday, so I'm not in a hurry to make money. Even let's see, I wanted to go in the lower price because we actually created liquidity here. This is if it breaks this low, let me just clean it. Yeah, if it breaks this low, then we would have a CISD. Wait for bullish candle to be taken and then now if it closes below this low, then it's a CISD, then we can maybe think about it. Even though I don't want to trade today, but just for studying the price action. This should be the CISD. Yeah. Sagna, do you have a setup? I think there is an IFVG though, 850 candle.
Actually, fine. I closed my.
Yeah, there is liquidity.
Closed it.
It closed it, or what do you mean? You're not gonna demo trade?
The long. Yeah, I closed the long ahead.
Oh. But what I'm saying is that there is an IFVG of 850 candle which is inside that macro. And also I'm seeing an CISD. I think we expect
For longs or for shorts?
for source.
Yeah, I'm looking at that one. That very one you mentioned.
Yes, exactly. So I think we expected the quadrant as well of the last big week. So yeah, it's pretty bearish as well. Buy now? What do you mean buy now? Bro, you were
But still, I would never even enter on a live though. I don't have a confident bias. Do you?
yeah, it's a sell, but I'm just studying the price. I'm not
Where?
yeah. To sell side. Euro dollar.
As in 5 a.m. lows?
5 a.m. Yeah, 5:35 a.m.
Interesting. Okay. It's like 5 pips though, the range. Or 10 pips.
I don't know. Let me measure it. Yeah, 10 pips. Oh, 1:2, which doesn't fit my RR as well. So we have a. If you retrace back to that BC, then maybe it would fit my RR. Let me measure it. Yeah. If we reach to that BC of 8:30 a.m., sorry, 8:50 a.m., then we would fit the RR.
Bro, Stomach, let me show you my entries for today. My demo luck has been good.
Demo luck.
Let me show you the genius.
How do we log out the paper trading?
Why do you want to put a ban on yourself?
No, it's actually makes the screen much bigger.
Really?
Yeah.
Are
Right.
you on the screen?
Wait a moment. I would be there. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
This is NQ. I mean, I have to say, it looks pretty bearish, right? On the 4 hour.
On EU trading NQ.
High of Fed, 9 a.m. I want this to expand low.
Uh-huh.
Lows.
Mm-hmm.
And when I open, hopefully it goes down and not up. But then this is the mad one. Silver when thingy
I can't see, bro.
what's it called when Taco was here, I entered just below just that news.
Mm-hmm.
I entered just over here, and
Mm-hmm.
look, it's jumped up. But my take profit is all the way here.
On silver.
Yeah, crazy take profit.
What's the spread on a real account on silver? I think it's much. Yeah.
It's pretty bad.
We're about to hit the objective of the day for the sell side liquidity. Damn, that Euro GBP setup actually reversed. I wasn't really expecting that though. Euro is stronger not now, so uh, interesting. Geo has ended. Close your position now. Bro, why are you giving signal here? This is crazy. Geo ended. Yeah, it swept the liquidity, but it would run a little bit more and then look for reverse. We need to check the dollar index as well. This is a valid structure shift. We are actually going for this one. Reversal incoming. I'm just reading price. That's nice though. All right, so I'm targeting this size. So I'm not reverse until the 10 a.m. news comes out. Close to hit the objective. Just 1 or 2 pips. Banana.
Yeah.
So you didn't get an trade on this week.
Yeah, I didn't get any trades. I already turned out. I want to trade this one.
Wait a moment, I'm having a wait.
Yeah.
All right, I think. Yeah, so what you were saying?
Said I'm not trading this one.
Interesting. Let's see. I got a good trade yesterday though, as
Yeah, yesterday we got a good clip, but after that, I just left it.
Yeah. Let's see what happens tomorrow. I'm not sure about that as we literally changed the narrative over the time.
Think you know what? I think the entry's there though. It's forming right now.
Where?
Thank you.
For shorts, right?
It's already about to take my objective though, then what's the point of doing that?
Oh no, I mean if this breaks, you'd expect it to go lower, right? Uh-oh.
Um, I would not right now because it already moved to the easy target that I would have taken. And I'm really not sure that if it's, I want it to go below the lows, but I think euro dollar gonna be make an SMT with DXY and while DXY would take out the highs. What do you say?
Yeah, previous day highs, right?
Yeah,
That's the draw.
yeah,
So you'd expect the same from you.
yeah.
So
I'm
you could
I actually I'm
walk
actually
past
wait,
the
wait, wait.
lows.
I'm actually seeing an SMT. Like I do not want EU to take out the low, but dollar index to take out the high. So that would be an value SMT.
We had an SMT.
This is the setup right now.
I don't know. This is actually not really good price to be entering, really not good RR or anything. So
Previous day low isn't good enough for you, bro. What the heck?
bro, I'm actually allowing myself to be wrong. I really don't want that to be taken out. So the easy objective was the like London lunch low that was like 535 lows. So that was my easy target for today, but that did not happen. So just leave it. Yep. So, all right, I'm actually about to close the stream right here. I have to work on something personal project. I'm actually leaving right now. So I said a reversal. He said a reversal, but I don't know what's gonna happen because I'm not a market maker. So anyway, just see you tomorrow on New York session. Let's see if we have anything good tomorrow. That's all. Take care, everybody.